Hello guys, welcome to the new week. So from the last series, we ended up on me studying the charts. Yes, I was studying the charts. I said I was going to study from Thursday till Sunday. So from that Thursday till Sunday, it's today Monday, the first trading day that I've actually gotten what I was looking for, trying to fix the mistakes I've done. That is how serious what I did last week was. So it took me Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and up to this Monday to actually fix all the mistakes that I've been doing. So right now I'm currently on two trades, which I'll be showing you right now. So this is the first trade I'm on. I dropped this in my Telegram channel, which the link will be in the description. So you can see this is GBP JPY, the first trade I took. I dropped it just at entry. You can see it's a 1 to 1.42 raised to the world, which is very good for me. I am very satisfied with something like this. And then the second trade, which is NZD USD, this one here, this one is almost at take profit self. So you can see this is a very good trade. There's nothing too special about this trade. It's just normal structure. We can see high, low, and all that. So that is what I got and I've taken here. So I'm expecting to close here, and for GBP JPY as well, I'm expecting to close here. So I am still risking 0.5% on my account, on the funded account, which I am on serious drawdown on. So I believe it will take me a little while to recover the account, but then I'll just keep trading it until maybe I get to buy another account. So this is this for today. This will be the only trades I'll take today, because I believe 2 trades are enough. So here are the trades. Both hit take profit. We can see GBP JPY TP hits, and then for NZD USD TP hits as well. So that's definitely it for me today. I will not be taking any trade as well. Just as I mentioned, I'm taking just 2 trades. I am done for the day. One thing is that I noticed tomorrow is NFP. Yes, tomorrow is NFP news. I will not be trading. I cannot afford to trade news. I don't like the slow price action I get before the news gets released, and I don't like to be in a trade when the news gets released. So I'll just ignore the day. There's no need to trade that day. There's no need to force. I'll just come back Wednesday and trade. So after so many hours of going through the charts, knowing I cannot take any trade no matter what setup I saw, because today is Tuesday and today is NFP. I don't trade during NFP. So today has been very boring after waiting for a very long time. Remember, in my last series, I was expecting to receive that co-funded trade, that payout today. So I thought after requesting it to be after 2 days, but after requesting, I would have to wait a little bit for them to approve it first. After approval, then I'll wait 2 days. So after a very boring day today, I just received an email from them, said the payout has been approved and I'll be receiving it in 2 days. So I should be expecting it by Thursday. Yes, so I'll be expecting the payout by Thursday, the $100. So I'll be putting the screenshot though. So that is very great. That is nice. Today has been boring. I said I wasn't going to trade. I'm not going to trade as usual. So I'll just wait till tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow at least I can come back and start trading that same funded account, and as well the other equity edge. Yes, I'll start trading it. So this week might probably be the last trading week of this year, but then I'll still keep updating, probably maybe how I'm fixing my system and what I see is going on. Let's just see how it goes. I believe there will always be something for me to drop. So there's a little bit excitement today from seeing the approval. Yes, I don't know, maybe the reason why I'm not excited is because I'm not used to it. I've never had it before, and for so many years, for all these 4 years of trading, it felt impossible. It didn't feel like something like, so it's happening now. It's honestly, I still don't know. I still don't know. I still don't know. I'm not used to good things. Yes, I'm just going to say it. For a very long time, I've not had good things in my life, so I'm not used to it. Maybe that's why. Even when I got to 1K subscribers, I did my research and noticed that very few content creators get to 1K in that short time. I think I got to 1K in 7 months, but then I got consistent. It was 3 months of consistency that got me to 1K. So I'm really surprised how it is like that. So I checked other channels, and I noticed that so many people don't get to achieve 1K subs that fast. Yes. So I was still wondering, am I doing great or not? I'm just not used to good things. That's why I've been. There's so many fails. One day, I'll talk about how everything actually is, like how everything really felt like, because I still feel like I just dropped little of it. But then one day I'll speak about it. So I'm still trying to get used to all this. Catch you guys tomorrow or later. So let me use this medium to share my experience with Equity Edge and also Gold Funded. So with Equity Edge, their support is good. They also keep to the time they set to give you your phases, your funded accounts, and all that. But one thing I don't like, which I've heard people talk about, is their spread. Yes, the spread is not that bad. I'm not even going to. It's not the spread that is my problem. They don't. Their spread is even okay. My problem is their jump the jumps they really have on minor pairs like Euro NZD, AUD NZD, and all that. I wanted taking a trade yesterday on Euro NZD and I saw that it was not moving at all. It was just jumping down, jumping down. But on other brokers, it was completely different. So that's the reason why I am going to stop promoting or making you guys try to get an account with Equity Edge, because you might experience that. I'm just saying that so that you know what you're getting into. So I will not be trying to push Equity Edge again, and I might not myself get an account with them anymore. What's good for there so far, I'm going to say I've had the best experiences. I have the best experiences with good funded, no issues. They keep to their timing, until now, which I'm going to get a payout from them. I'm going to say they're one of the best. Their support is good as well. Spread, the best I've seen. Yes, their spread is the best I've seen so far, and their account is very affordable. I'll be putting the link to buying a Profem account from Good Funded in the description. That is the Profem I'll be sticking with now for a long, probably for a long time. I could be juggling with other prop firms as well because of the copy trading problem. But just go through the rules. Believe me, Gold Funded is one of the best. You can get an account with them. The link will be in the description. So I got that Gold Funded payout today. Yes. Last time I made that recording was just like 5 hours ago. So they still sent it today. I thought I was going to wait another 2 business days, but then they sent it today. You can see how Gold Funded is just good. I withdrew it from my Rise work and sent it to my Bybit, which I'll be putting a screen recording, and I'll also take you to the system to see from my email and also on my Bybit where the payout is. Honestly, now I am excited. Honestly, I am very excited now. I am excited. So, wow. I'm really happy, honestly. I'm really happy. My first ever payout has landed. Like past phase 1, past phase 2, traded the funded, went into drawdown and still brought it back out of drawdown and made this. Oh God, honestly, I am very happy. I am excited. So I'll be coming back to start trading that same account tomorrow. Yes, this week might probably be the last trading week. Yes, it will be the last trading week because I won't be trading next week. There wouldn't be price action 24th, 25th and 26th, so there's no need trading. I'm not going to force the trades. I will not trade Monday even if price action is going to move. I am not going to trade anything. So I am very glad. Go get an account with Gold Funded. Their link will be in the description. So I'll catch you guys for tomorrow's trading. Hello guys. So today is Thursday, the day before yesterday, right? I said I was going to show you everything about how the payout went, but then I had something to do. I was doing something else, so I couldn't do that. So I'll be doing that today. And I also traded yesterday because there was no news. Yes, I will also show you all that after this. So from the dashboard here, you can see we have all these emails here. For my Gmail, I'll show you. First of all, I got my withdrawal certificate, yes, which is this one. I first got the certificate before they sent me the payout. I think when I got the certificate, I got the payout after, let's say, 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. It didn't take too long. So it's attached here. Let's check that first. So you can see it here. I have my listing, my email zoomed in because I don't want other things to show up. So this is the certificate here. the payout certificate. So I got this before later getting the payout. So first of all here, I got on Rise, which I sent the payment to. I sent it to my Rise account, Rise Works. So you can see all these, hi there, you received, blah blah blah, and all that. I did not open most of this. It was just the certificate. All these I did not really mind to open it. So I still got another email from Rise, here too from Rise. So this particular one was my withdrawal to my exchange, which is Bybit. Yes, I'll be putting a screenshot of this to that from the Bybit. So I'll be putting that screenshot. So this is just it. So from Goat Funded Trader as well, here from the dashboard here, you can see I'm currently on drawdown from yesterday's trading, which I'm going to show you on the chart. So I'm on drawdown on the account, which is fine. It's something I can still recover. We have, this was the payouts here. So from last week's video, this status here was showing pending, but now it's approved. I got my 80% profit split as they promised, because my profit was 125. You saw everything, and then I got this. So this is just it for this payout. Now we can finally come back to trading. Yes, we can finally come back to trading. So I took about 4 trades yesterday. Which I'm not going to say they are really that bad. They are not that bad, but then all of them were for losses. All of them went for losses. But I'm not trading today because I noticed that today is CPI. Yes, today is CPI. Day before yesterday was NFP, and today is now CPI. Is probably just done for the year. But then I still have tomorrow. Tomorrow will be my last trading day for the year. Yes, I believe so. So we have this. I took a trade on, let me bring this back. So I took a trade on GBP USD here, which was a very close, very fast trade. Ignore this one. This one is just something else. So I took this trade here on a very low time frame. It was 5 minutes. It was on the 5 minutes. No, it was actually on the 3 minutes. Yes, I honestly regret going down to the 3 minutes because this thing did not just do me well. So I took entry around this point. Price pushed up. When it started coming down, I noticed that it was almost CPI, because yesterday was GBP CPI. I don't ignore the trading day if it's anything other than USD CPI or USD news. So this was GBP, that's the British CPI. So I was willing to trade it. So after I noticed it was close to that CPI and price started reversing like this, I just closed the trade and was not willing to lose extra to slippages and other things. So I closed this and went next to, if I'm not mistaken, it should be gold. Yes, I traded gold. I remember trading gold. Do I still have my this thing saved up? So someone asked, where do I get my order still from trading views? From here, just click on this, you see object 3. It's from your object 3, and I do hide it myself. If I open like this, if I click on these 3 dots and I click on hide, then it's going to hide. You can come back and look for it from your object 3. Same thing on your phone, you can look for object 3s and you see all these things that you've hidden. So this was, I had taken one before that. So I took this trade next, took this one. You can see it's still Wednesday. I took this, I was on this and as well on that GBP USD at the same time. Yes, so I took that GBP USD and then later took this one. So I took this one too, came straight to my stop loss, and then later on, in the afternoon by 1, I took a trade on this guy here. I took a sell, which went to the profit and then later reversed. So lastly, for the last trade, I said I took 4 trades, right? Last trade, for the last trade I took, it was on GBP USD. Yes, I remember. It was on GBP USD. I should still have it in my, I think I deleted it. So it was here. If I should remember the setup, I took the setup exactly here. And my stop loss was here. And I was selling to this point. Yes, I was selling to this point. So I also took this one, sold a bit before it reversed back and took me out. At this point, I thought whether there was news or anything. I checked and I did not see anything. So that was all for yesterday's trading. Today, I really wanted to trade. I came to the charts. I wanted to place a trade. And then I went back and saw that today is CPI. I just decided to stay off. So I will not be trading today. I'll be coming back tomorrow.
Hello guys, so today is Saturday and this is the end of the trading week and the end of the trading year, because I will not be trading again till next year. So that is in 2 weeks, right? In less than 2 weeks, I'm going to say yes, or let's say yes in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, so this is the end of the year. Today is Saturday. So yesterday I took some trades. I took 2 trades, which I lost both of them. I lost both of those trades, and at this point, I feel like I still need to check on everything that I'm doing, and I believe these 2 weeks is what I'm going to use to fix all these things. I did some study today. I wanted to just push it to another time, but I still can't just rest knowing that I need to fix something in my system. So I did some studying and starting to get some things small. I mentioned that some even in previous time I've been mentioning I've been getting things small, but I think I need to give in more time. And it's not that my system is not profitable. You if you notice some if you notice the patterns in which how I trade is that I'll get a winning week, the next week will be a losing week, then a winning week, then a losing week. But then there is some kind of inconsistency where after sometimes it is after some wins I would say, okay, since I've gotten these wins and I see some reasons that brought in those wins, I would now decide to change something from that system. I don't know if you get. I'll decide to change because I saw there was a win. I'll get confident, and then I would want to change something from that system. Or when the losses do come into, when they come in, I'll get so frustrated and I'll start doubting if there's something wrong with my strategy. I noticed something today that one of the reasons is because I am not trading one model. I see that the best thing for me to do is to look for one thing, one particular model, just one setup that every single time when I come to the chart, I am going to just take that, and that will be more easier for me. I wouldn't have to be doubting, oh, is this a good setup? Is that a good setup? I can just come to the chart, wait for that exact thing. Though I know I am good, I am when it comes to analysis, trust me, I am very good in analysis. I can just come to the chart, look at what price is doing and say this is where this thing is going to, and most of the times I'll be right. But taking entries to that point is something that I find it hard as well. So if I have a particular model, if I have a particular setup which I'll just follow and see, I will stick to that thing. That would actually make sense. So I really need to fix those things. And yes, I am good in so many of these things, but I just have to make the sacrifice, let them go and focus on one and trade, continue repeating it. Though it is going to be boring. I notice that sometimes I get bored of what I do. That is why I change my rules, but I have to continue in that same boredom for me to actually see the success I am looking for in this trading. So next year is going to start with so much greatness. It's going to be lit, man. It's going to be very lit. So that equity edge account is in very deep road, and I believe the next 2 trades is going to blow it. But I'll still be holding it till that next year. I won't be trading, or I might just decide to blow it on Monday. Yeah, I think so. I might just decide to just risk it on Monday and see how it goes. Good afternoon. Only. So I might just decide to see how it's going to go Monday. Yes, I will trade it. Yes, I'm going to trade it. But my gold funded, I'll be keeping that account. I won't trade it till next year. So I'll just risk it remaining 2 trades, not even up to 2 trades. It is down to blowing. So it is my mistake, it is my fault. I went out of my rules, and I noticed that I had not really gotten good in managing my losses. Yes, I did not get so good in managing my losses and knowing how to control them. So that is what I am studying. That is what I'm going to fix. That is what I'm going to fix. So right now, that is probably it. But I'll still be dropping videos. I'll still be dropping videos when I notice something or when I learn something. I notice, okay, this is what is going on. I'll come here and drop, because trust me, I have said this many times. Profitability is this close to me. I have made my first payout. That is enough proof for me. Though I know I'm going to blow a funded account, but then I have made my first payout, which I have never done in the last 4 years. So it is actually a good thing for me. It's all I needed. It's all I needed. So this is just the starting of this. This is just the start. This is just the beginning. I just believe it. So that is all for this week. I'll be putting the two trades which I took a trade on, I think, GBP USD and as well on gold or something like that. I'm just going to put the screenshots. So I'll also be putting the screenshots of my good funded accounts right now. There's no need putting equity edge, but if I feel like, all right. So that is just it for this week. I'll catch you guys in another video.